Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, The Wealthy Mindset. It's yours truly, Money Making Mitch. And as usual guys, this is not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence and research. It's getting yummy for the tummy. Onvo deliveries keep ramping up. ES8 wait time is shrinking. But Tesla's VP was just honored with the 2026 SDV Innovator Award. Oh wait, no. That's NIO's VP. What? NIO's Xiaoqing honored with 2026 SDV Innovator Award as Onvo momentum builds and ES8 delivery time shrinks. Shanghai, in a week of significant milestones, Chinese electric vehicle pioneer NIO has demonstrated the powerful synergy between visionary leadership, strategic product expansion, and relentless operational execution. The company's Vice President of Software Development, Mr. Xiaoqing, was formally presented with the prestigious 2026 Software Defined Vehicle Innovator Award, a testament to his pivotal role in shipping and shaping the future of intelligent mobility. The award recognized globally as a benchmark for excellence in automotive software and intelligent architecture. It highlights Mr. Xiaoqing's leadership in developing NIO's industry-leading Skyos. Yes, that same Skyos that's going to replace Linux. That's already replacing Linux in our cars. And its holistic SDV platform. It's the same Skyos that other EV makers in China will be buying, our partnerships. Under his guidance, NIO has successfully implemented a centralized computing architecture that enables continuous over-the-air evolution of vehicle performance, safety, and user experience across its entire product lineup. This award is not just a personal honor, it is a recognition of our entire team's dedication to creating vehicles that are born to learn and grow, said Mr. Xiaoqing. Yes, our software-defined approach is the digital heartbeat of every NIO, transforming the car from a static product, NIO, into a dynamic, personalized companion of our users. This accolade for technical innovation arrives alongside strong commercial signals from NIO's expanding brand portfolio. Onvo, NIO's mass market brand, continues to see a steady increase in orders. Following the successful launch of its first model, the L60, market reception has been overwhelmingly positive now, with consumers praising its exceptional value proposition, family-friendly design, and seamless integration with NIO's extensive charging and battery swapping network. The rising order book validates NIO's strategic move to address a broader segment with a dedicated brand, strengthening its overall market position. Simultaneously, NIO has delivered welcome news to customers awaiting its flagship SUV thanks to sustained production ramp-up and supply chain improvements. Delivery wait times for the all-new ES8 has been reduced again, now standing at an estimated 17 to 18 weeks, down from 21 weeks. This marks another significant reduction from previous timelines and reflects NIO's focused efforts on smoothing production processes and increasing capacity at its advanced manufacturing facilities. The move is set to delight customers and further boost the appeal of the premium 6- and 7-seater SUV, known for its commanding presence, luxurious interior, and cutting-edge technology. Industry analysts see these developments as interconnected. The software excellence honored by the SDV Award is what makes the hardware so compelling, noted analysts. And automotive technology specialists, the reduced wait times for the ES8 show NIO is hitting its operational stride, while the Onvo order growth proves they are effectively scaling their technology and brand appeal. It's a triple-point success that showcases a mature and executing company. As NIO celebrates the individual achievement of its VP, the broader narrative is one of a company firing on all cylinders, pushing the boundaries of software innovation. successfully expanding its market reach and delivering tangible improvements in customer fulfillment with a reinvigorated product strategy and a clear lead in software defined vehicle architecture. NIO is powerfully positioned for its next phase of growth in the global EV landscape for 2026. When you look at the share price, this is not reflecting that, and you may lose hope and thinking the stock will never go up. And that's exactly what Wall Street wants you to do. They want retail to sell off right now so they can get in. And once you do that, that's when they pile in, and that's when the company releases its profitable quarter for the first time in February, and that's when the re-ratings come again. Hold the line. I hope you guys found this video yet again to be informational, inspirational, and motivational. If so, guys, boop, boop, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. It takes a lot of time to do these videos and the editing. And if you haven't yet subscribed, you might want to think about doing so, because in this channel, we are waking up the middle class for the first time to get a major piece of the pie from the ground level up as to how the games are played on Wall Street. And like 50 said, we get rich or we die trying, guys.